Yeah, I'm back. Let's see. Got the wheels off. That's what that looks like. You see how corroded they get. Got right on this gear, there's a ratchet deal. Already pulled the clip off this one. Ugh. The emery cloth. See, there's a clip right there. Turn that around. See, it's popping out. Just need to clean the corrosion off. Kind of put some oil on there. I think one time I remember putting some grease on there, and the grease was cakey and didn't allow that to pop up. You just got to pop up. A little pin right there. It's got a little spring in there. You can see the little spring. Yeah, right there. You got this little keeper. It just needs to be cleaned up. They get jammed, and it acts like a ratchet. Free spins one way and it bites the other way. So that's probably what's happened. They just need to be cleaned. Spring out. I don't want to lose that spring. I don't know if I got any more of those. Yeah, I probably do on the other transmission. I got an extra transmission. Yeah, spring. We'll clean that up real good with some emery cloth. I'll cut this right here to save time on the video. We'll clean that up with some emery cloth. Oil it up and put it back. Put the wheel back on. These wheels, they have bent ball bearings. Yeah, these ain't. See, you got ball bearing. These are commercial ball bearing wheels. See that? Nice. This lawnmower, it pushes real easy when you push it. All the wheels are ball bearing. So yeah, let me shut this off right here, and I'll. All right. We got the shaft cleaned up. Ran across the wire brush grinder, the wire wheel. So got the gear cleaned up. Got the inside fairly clean. There's still a little bit of rust, a little bit in there. But got my clip and spring clean. Cleaned this up a little bit. Shoot a little W40 in there. So there's a grease buddy right here. That's a grease buddy, but I don't have no grease gun no more. So these commercial lawnmowers, they have grease buddies. That's the definition of commercial equipment. They have all this grease buddy, but I threw my grease guns away. They took a shit, so I gotta buy some more grease guns. A grease gun. Clean that up. Lawnmower's like 20 years old. Discontinued. They don't make it no more. They make junk now. John Deere lawnmowers they put out now has got damn Briggs and Stratton piece of shit on there now. This is a Kawasaki engine. I like this engine better than the Honda. Kawasaki engine runs more smoother. I can take this lawnmower off and literally start this in my arm. Runs so smooth. I can hold it and start it and cradled in my arm. Put a little this grease right here. I don't want to grease the spring. You grease that spring and the spring won't bounce back. It won't spring back. So you don't want grease really in the spring. Shove some grease right there. Wipe my hands off. Put a little 3-in-1 oil on there. Wait, something else goes there. Okay. Washer, we'll put that on there. Spring in there. Clipper. Clip in there. So slide this on there. Oh, don't pop out. Come on. There we go. Put this little clip on. Come on. There we go. Clip on. Alright. Man, I wish I had a grease gun. I need to buy a new one. There we go. It's on there. Here's that click. See it turn. The oil on there. I remember one time I put grease on that clip, that little key, and it wouldn't allow eventually it wouldn't allow the thing to go back on. Alright. There you have it. I'm not going to do both sides on the video. I put the wheel back on. There. Wheel back on. Let's see.
camera?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep. Nothing.
Well, Randy went to Home Depot.
There you go. Just like that. See how it clicks? I wasn't even doing that before. Just like that. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a good one. And I'm going to get the other wheel done and get back to mowing. Later.